Everybody has a crazy dream, and I'm on a journey to rebuild 25 cars to get to my dream car, a McLaren 720S. And right here, we've got my next car. Oh my gosh. We're gonna try the... Wait a second. I'm a little nervous, but here we go. Doesn't sound great. Keep start! Well, straighten your wheel, straighten your tires. Straighten my tires? There you go. Look at how bad that is. Yeah, you're a little bent, actually. Oh my gosh. You got space. Oh, this is gonna be so bad. Keep going. Oh! Oh well, car's here and we didn't die. This is so interesting to me because here we have one generation of a Honda Accord, and then just behind it, we have a more luxurious version of the next generation of a Honda Accord. Inches apart, years of difference, but rebuilt by the same guy. Go. And that's why. Dude, it's like a car wrap, bro. Brother, what is this crap? The headlight seems salvageable. We're definitely gonna need a new fender. The frame down here is unfortunately damaged. We've got a few spot welds on this side right here, a few spot welds right here. This is definitely gonna be bent, and maybe we can salvage this piece right here. This is honestly looking a lot better than what the other Honda Accord looks like.
Trying out some new products and adding to my tool arsenal, we have a foam cannon and some proper materials to wash the car. We're doing this for two reasons. One, to keep the garage a little bit clean, and so that we can actually see how bad the car is. There's residual glue left over from the car cover, but we'll worry about that when we get to it. So let's rinse it off and get the car home.
That is not a pretty sound. This is where the majority of the damage is. There's some to the frame on the lower side. We have to get this off and the headlight off in order to see the extent of the damage.
To get the panels off, first we have to remove all of the trims and covers on the front and on the driver's side of the car. All of them are just held in with these little push clips that slide out.
First part is now removed.
And then the pieces just lift right off. There's one more panel that fits right over the fender. Then we remove all of the 10mm bolts holding the fender into place. We're going to remove the tire so that we can access this lower fender guard. And that will give us access to another bolt.
There we go.
And the fender can now come off.
And the headlight is gone. Now we can see our true problem. There is very obviously something bent down here. It seems that this has shifted that way, but I haven't really done any further deeping. I've been looking at it for about 10 minutes, and I honestly can't see anything that looks severely crooked, severely bent, something that's like massively cracked or something like that. But I can guarantee you that once we start pulling all this stuff out, we're bound to find a problem. But our new problem lies right here. This right here is why the car was totaled out and sent to Copart. There's a little bit of buckling in the back, there's buckling here, this is all folded, but this panel is fine, the apron up here is fine, the back apron is fine, and where the subframe reaches the car is fine. But here's the interesting thing about this piece, is it's a non-structural frame piece, so this doesn't even need to be on the car. Now, does that mean that we're gonna go gung-ho and just cut this whole piece out and leave it alone? Absolutely not. We have to get this frame into place, otherwise it's not going to properly pass inspection. The thing about this is it doesn't have to be down to the finite millimeter, but we are definitely going to get it as close as humanly possible. Another really good thing is right here is where the airbag sensor is. If this crash happened literally 6 inches closer to the car, the airbags would have gone off on the inside and would have made this repair far more expensive. We're gonna get this part and this part directly from Honda, because in total, that right there is around $100. The lower part is $70, the upper part is $40. This panel right in here that does have a buckle right there, once we get these pieces out, I think I'll just take that and we'll hammer it flat, and then we can get all of that welded back into place. Now we have to order the parts, and then I have to start disassembling everything that is in the inner wheel arches of the front driver's side components. And we can start getting this car fixed. All right, let's see what Honda says. So it's 2 part numbers that we're looking for. 5-Alpha 50 Zulu Zulu.
Yeah. I mean, most parts we don't have in stock.
Okay.
We can get it ordered and it would be here tomorrow around noon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so they should be here tomorrow around noon if ordered by 3:30. You want to get it started to getting it ordered for you?
Yeah, perfect. That would be fantastic.
Yeah, it's on order for you, so once they get here, I'll let you know it, and you can just let me know when you can come pick them up, okay?
All right, sounds good, Alvin. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate your help and time.
Yeah, absolutely. Have a good one. I'll reach out to you tomorrow.
Okay, we'll talk then. Have a good one.
All right, you too. Bye.
Bye. Dude, this makes me so happy, bro. Oh my gosh. And that brings us to where we are now. We've got these on order and a handful of other different parts, so it's now just a waiting game until we can truly repair anything. I'm super excited. Comment down below what you're excited to see, and we'll see you in the next adventure with the new, or I guess the old, Honda Accord. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.